Hi everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are on our way to do something pretty special. We are driving to lunch, and it's not that close. It's about 40 minutes away, and it's a Mediterranean restaurant, so come with us. So where we're going, it's about, like I said, 40 minutes away, and Ezra he wanted to come with us. So it's Paul and I and Ezzy, and all he's wanting is some French fries and some chicken strips. So hopefully they'll have them there. But it's called the Mad Greek, and we are excited to try it. So we've never been here before, and you can see I'm on the freeway. So we're almost there. Shake, and that is Paul's chocolate shake. It's looking good. I got some nice pudding since I'm kind of on that right now. It seems pretty good for fall. What do you think?
I didn't try it.
Okay, let's try it.
Mom, I don't even taste it. That is good.
I wanted to sit in this booth. Why? Why'd you want to sit over here, Ezzy? Because of the golden statue behind us? It's very, very Greek in here. I just got an avocado burger. I thought I'd play it safe. And Ezra got some chicken strips. But this looks super good. Some kebabs and like a gyro.
Looks like it's just some pita bread.
And a pita bread. And then Paul got a Philly cheesesteak. So good. Smells good. So all in all, I loved it. It was so good. My burger was actually reminiscent of a burger place in California where I grew up. And I just liked a thinner burger, but it had like avocado. I love avocado. So it was perfect. Paul got the Philly cheesesteak and he liked it. And we even tried some of Ezra's chicken. It was so good. So definitely, I think we might try to stop here as we travel back and forth from California to Vegas. This might become a regular stop. Now we're just heading back home. Excuse me, my throat is still. And I wanted to show you guys some things I've been working on. I was working on last night, so I'll show you. So I inherited this mini palette that I thought I could change into something for the front yard that's decorative. So all I've been doing is just sanding it a little bit. I kind of want to leave it rough. So let me get back to sanding. Next thing I'm doing with my oldest son's help is doing some staining. I mean, it's nothing fancy and it's probably totally messed up, but it's supposed to be like rough looking anyways. So I just stained it. I think I showed that part. I don't know if I did. And now I'm just kind of free drawing a mason jar. And in the middle, it's just gonna say Happy Fall. And then I'm gonna try to paint some flowers coming out of the top that are fall colored. It's been really easy and I'm trying, it's not supposed to be perfect. So please don't, I already can see that the mason jar is not perfect. So, but that's the goal. It's not supposed to be. Okay, I think I finished. I might have to just do a little accentuating around the words a little bit. But those were my attempts at some mums. But it does give some fall color. So I'll show you how I put it by my front door. So there it is. I got it by the front door. I'm gonna add some real pumpkins down in here. And I'm loving it. And you know, my neighbor was getting rid of this little tiny palette. And I'm like, you know, that can make a cute sign. And so you just never know where you're gonna receive inspirations. Hi everyone, it is Sunday morning. I'm just kind of showing you what we are gonna be having for lunch here. It's about 7:30, so that's why you're not seeing me, but this is a super easy recipe that's gonna be in the crock pot. So I'm just gonna put in some chicken, and then I'm gonna put in the stuffing on top, and then I'm going to put a mixture in. So I thought I hadn't done this recipe, but I think I did. So what I'm going to do is just add this to the end of this video so that you can have the recipe if you've missed it. But this one's a good one. I'm just going to sprinkle the stuffing all around. And then here's my mixture that has the cream of chicken soup and the sour cream with some water, just a little bit of water. Let me get a spoon. And I'm just gonna pour it on the top. That's it. Hi, you can see my fingers. That's it. Just put it over the top. Look at how beautiful that looks. It's now on low. And then it's gonna cook for about 3 to 4 hours. It says 4 hours, but with my crock pot, I do tend to check it earlier, so 3 hours. So yum, yum. Hi everyone, now I'm ready. So I thought I would just give you a little update. It's been in there for 2 hours. It smells delicious in here. It's so fall-like with the stuffing. I think it's this time of year that I just love to have stuffing anyways because of all the great fall holidays, of course. And so it's getting closer to 10 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna get started on making mashed potatoes since some of us have early church meetings and back and forth and stuff. So all I'm doing is just cleaning up some potatoes, chopping them up, and then smashing them. So Ezra likes to call these smashed potatoes. So I'm gonna get going on those. So all I'm doing now is just, it doesn't look pretty. Like it's gonna look kind of soupy, tiny bit, or like creamy on top. Is just trying to lightly fluff it and like kind of shred the chicken. Now I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer, not too much longer, because like I said, my crock pot can cook a lot faster, so I don't want to burn it. But it's been about 2.5 hours now, and I'm gonna let it go for about 3. I've already checked the internal temperature in the chicken and we're good, so I'm just gonna kind of keep an eye on it. And I'm just cutting some of these chunks into smaller pieces so it'll be easy to serve onto potatoes. But it's really, really smelling good. So here is my smashed potatoes. All I do is put in potatoes, cut them up, boil them for about 15 or so minutes, just kind of fork tender, drain it, and I put it back on the oven or on the burners just at a low heat just to get any more water out of here. So I'm evaporating the water. I add butter, butter, milk, and salt and pepper. That's it. And so that's just an easy side for this meal. It's so good. But when I make Thanksgiving mashed potatoes, I use the Pioneer Woman's. Now that is special. So I'll be doing that in the near future. But this is ready to serve. We're hungry. It's a little early now. It's like 10:30. But like I said, we have meetings. So I'm going to start dishing up. Here's my yummy plate. I'm so excited and it's delicious. It smells divine. It smells like fall. So thanks for coming with us to State Line to have lunch and to see what we've been doing this weekend with decoration. The front porch, we're even getting some more out front. So with the Halloween, I'll show you on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you should follow me on Instagram at How Ines Rolls. So have a great weekend. I hope it's been wonderful. I hope everybody's been getting some good rest and fighting off some of these colds, right? So stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.